This 2026 Grand Design Transcend 245 RLT is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 8 inches in length and features a Cashmere Midlin interior, sleeps 6, awning, refrigerator, TV antenna, microwave, water heater, TV, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Transcend 245 RLT is 6,470 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.